Good morning, my friends. Today I'm going to show you something interesting again. What I have here is a lock powder, a Yale. This is just a manufacturer or a name of this product. They call it Just a Puff. It's a graphite powder. If you just going to show you here, if you put it in here, it's a very shiny substance, very slippery. It's like a carbon something. I use this to if you have a sticky lock. So this lock was outside by the gate, but it's very sticky, it doesn't want to go in and out. Now what you first do, you just go and you put some powder in here. There's a hole where they normally put where the water comes out when it stands in the rain, and now you just go and you turn this thing up and down. You'll see it starts getting loose. Now you can also go and you can put inside there, the lock there. There's like a spring loaded thing in there that hooks in this part here. You can just like push it in and push the stuff in there also, and then see, it gets all more easy. Now this, all the inside is loose. This is wonderful stuff. Now all the levers inside here is getting loose now, but you mustn't put any oil in there, then it's going to be very sticky, then it's going to have a problem. So never put any oil in the lock. You can also put maybe in there, see there in the corner, because there's another lock inside that locks that part. You just deposit some of these puff stuff in there, then you close it and then you shake it, then it goes inside everywhere. Now it's like so slippery, you can't believe it. Now it is okay for another month or so inside the rain. Okay, this is just to show you how about this product, how nice it works. You can also put it in your car, in your where your ignition of your car, or your door locks, or inside the house, any sticky lock. Look at these things here. So as I say, it's very slippery, shiny powder, but it works wonders. All right, this is all for today. Till next time, cheers.